Hi guys, how are you doing? This is Monique at blogwithmo.com. Today I'm doing a video on how to install WordPress using Siteground. I know there are a million of these videos out there, but I'm actually going to start a brand new blog, so I decided to go ahead and record the process. So I just logged into Siteground. If you are not a Siteground user, simply create an account, and this is the first screen that you will see. The name that I have selected is thebeautical.com. So let's see. It's supposed to be a beauty website and it's available, so I'm going to go ahead and register. Now, if you have no hosting yet, then you would have selected register domain with hosting. I'm going to go ahead and just register the domain only because I have the middle tier package with Siteground that offers me up to 10 websites, I believe. I'm not sure, but this is going to be my third. So let me go ahead and get my domain. So great, I'm all set. Now, what's the next step? You've purchased your hosting, you've purchased your domain. Oh my God, I'm scared out of my mind. What's next? Let's go to my accounts. The next step is to install WordPress on your brand new domain. So here it is. These are the two websites that I have so far, blogwithmo.com, iodiva.com, and I just purchased thebeautical.com. We're going to go to our cPanel area. A pop-up is supposed to come up. I have disabled that pop-up that asks you if you want to go to your cPanel securely, and I have it set to yes and always select yes, so that's why it doesn't bother me anymore. It just goes securely. Now this is what your cPanel area looks like. So we clicked and we're back in the cPanel. Now the next step would be to install WordPress. Let's go ahead and do that. So we're here, we selected WordPress, and it's telling us, where I have it installed already. I'm going to go ahead and do that for the Beautiful that I just created. Here you could select whether you want it to be www or not. I'm going to leave it as without, and I'm going to put it on thebeautical.com. I am leaving this blank, and I'm going to go down here, the Beautiful. Site description. I'm not sure what it is yet. So I'm just going to be the best in beauty. I'm going to leave that as is for right now. I'm going to add online. Ha. So admin username, admin password, you're going to go ahead and put in whatever it is that you want right here. I like to change the email. Usually I would put my name here, but the Beautiful is going to be different, so I'm going to go ahead and just put info. I'm going to select a password. We're going to install these plugins automatically. Install. So that has been installed and it's actually ready to go. So if you click here, it will take you to WordPress. And it says, see I have to set up my SSL security certificate for the Beautiful. So Siteground automatically adds SSL security certificates to all their websites. So what that means is that, I just bought the domain. It simply wasn't registered yet, so I gave it a few moments while I tinkered around with some things inside of my cPanel to get my hosting, my website up and running. I'm going to check to see if it's registered, because you shouldn't have to do anything inside of Siteground to turn on your SSL certificate. So I'm going to go ahead now and see if this works. And now you see the secure button here and it says HTTPS here. So it's definitely connected and everything is fine. Let's just go to the site to see if what I'm saying is true, and voila! A brand new website ready for me to tinker around with. This is what your website is going to look like after you install WordPress. It has the default theme, so you're going to change all of that. You're going to click here to go back to our dashboard. This is what your WordPress dashboard looks like when you just installed WordPress. It has some prompts here that you could use to customize your site. If you want to change your theme completely, if you purchased one or you sourced a nice free one that you want to use, write your first blog post, add an about page. It has a few things to kind of guide you along to take you on your journey of becoming a blogger. How neat is that? It even has a post already and a comment that we just saw. Let's go back on the page, and this is the post that they have, WordPress resources at Siteground. And it even has a comment. But we're going to delete that post, obviously. I'm going to go ahead and click on appearance. Here is where you can search for themes. If you want to add a new theme, you would click here. So I'm just giving you a little preview of what your brand new WordPress would look like. And you can go ahead and select one of these free themes if you would like, or install by clicking on upload theme here if you've already downloaded a theme and you can't wait to jump in and get started. So I really hope you guys found this little tutorial helpful. I'm about to go and create my brand new website, The Beautiful.